Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Redmagic 8S Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Somewhere in here we should have our screen recording toggle. If it's not visible on the first page, you could swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages, but it actually looks like it's not here by default, so we might need to add it. And we do this by clicking right here on this pencil, swipe down and locate it somewhere below. There it is, screen recorder. Once you see this toggle, you can hold it and this will then change the text right here. You can see drag here to remove, so we're going to drop above this text, drop it, and now it's accessible to us in the toggles panel. From here, simply tap on it. It will give you an overlay, automatically highlighting the sound that you can record, and you have mute, mic, and system sound. So you can choose whichever one you want. You also have the record button right here, obviously the red circle, and then the close option as the last one on the side. So I'm gonna now start recording. There we go. And you can see changes, gives us the pause option and stop option. Now this overlay that you can see right here won't be visible on the screen recording, and whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. I'm looking for an application which looks to not be on this device, so I'm just gonna open up something like a browser, or not. Anyway, you can now stop it. I wanted to open up Netflix as it's one of those applications that comes pre-installed on a lot of devices, and it's also one of those applications that kind of exceeds the what I would consider to be allowed permissions. So what it can do is just completely block your screen recorder from being able to record the screen. It's a feature of Android that is designed to protect the user from malicious, let's say, intent. So if you download some kind of virus and it's trying to spy on you, so it knows what kind of passwords you have for your bank or stuff like that, this would basically prevent that from happening. But it's primarily used by shady little applications that just want to make your life annoying for no reason, and there is nothing that you can do about this. Once you discover such an app, there is no settings that you can change, nothing. You have zero control over your own device that you spend money on, and it's fully yours. So I just want to point that out, that if you ever encounter a fully black screen, that, well, there's nothing you can do about it. Anyway, once we open up our Photos application, we can navigate to a library, which should have a screen recording folder, but it looks like it doesn't, so it stores it in the screenshots album instead. And here we can view our screen recording. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.